Greetings, I'm Geofatboy. I make shaving videos and sell shaving supplies. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving needs. Have a great shave, have a great day. Greetings gents, I'm Geofatboy for shavenation.com. Today's razor review is the brand new Feather Artist Club SR Super Razor. Comes in this package. Here's a look at it. It comes in 3 different handle varieties: blue, black, and pink. This is the blue. They sent this to me to do a test drive, see how this razor performs. Works just like all the other Feather Artist Club razors. You just squeeze the spine right here and you can take it apart, disassemble, just that simple. And then to load the blade, you just squeeze the spine and you can remove the blade from the injector manually, or you can insert it just by taking the pin from the injector, inserting it into the head of the razor, and then just drive forward the injector and the blade seats itself right in. You can install the blade in the razor without even touching the blade. Very slick loading mechanism. When you're done with your shave, to remove the blade, all you do is just squeeze the spine and the blade pops out. Sometimes it'll get gummed up in there with water or shaving soap, shaving cream. You can use the tweezers, just pull it out that way. Very high-tech design, very easy. This is the cream of the crop of replaceable blade straight razors. These are grooves on the bottom, also called jimps, that you can place your thumb on, and this will give you grip, make it very easy to hold the razor while you're shaving. The Super Razor offers a new sensation in shaving. The weight of the razor is enough to shave. Specifically designed with an excellent weight balance that allows the effortless shaving of even thick beards. So this is the folding version. There will also be a Japanese style version, and this has a hard coating on the handle. The Japanese version has a resin coating on the handle, so it'll be even easier to grip. On the Japanese razor, excellent grip and hold. The handle offers a firm grip no matter where you hold it. The body is made of stainless steel, and the smooth surface treatment, sandblasting, prevents the razor from sticking to the skin, thus guaranteeing smooth strokes. Artist Club SR razor handles are made from super engineering resin. Artist Club SR Japanese razor handles are made from silicone resin. The screw connecting body and handle is anti-slipping design. Blade folding part has a spring-mounted one-touch mechanism, which enables easy dismantlement and reassembly. Please use Feather Professional blades for replacement blades. It comes adjusted pretty tight from the factory, so that's how I like it, nice and tight where it doesn't move around on you when you're shaving with it. But if you wanted to adjust it, there's a screw adjustment right here on the very end. It does have the Feather logo on the handle. These 3 little grooves right here, or half moons, I'm not sure what that signifies, but we'll check into it. So I'll perform a shave with this razor, and I will use the Feather Professional blade during the shave, and we'll see how it performs. There's only one thing missing. I'll be right back. All right, I've got some pretty heavy beard growth going on here, so we can really see how this razor performs. I'll be using the Professional blade, already loaded in the razor. Here's a look at the reveal. You can check that. You can see that it's perfect straight across. I'll be using the Stirling Soap Company Barber Shop shaving soap and the Shave Nation Patriot shaving brush, red, white, and blue badger brush. Very nice, tight, dense knot. I'll fill up my marble cup with some hot water. There's the brush dry. Let's get it saturated, soak it. You can hear the bubbles popping. It's absorbing some water. That's what it looks like when it's saturated. Pour out the water. Just give it a couple shakes. Remove the cap on this barbershop shaving soap. Here's a look at it. Just like the barbershop. Talcum powder, leather. Okay, we'll go right in here. Start mixing the lather. I think I'll just face lather today, so wet the tips a little more. Just get that saturated. Let that sit for a second. I'll warm up my face. We'll get right to the shave. Whew. All right, the face is good and hot. Beard is softened. This shaving soap uses a little bit more water to hydrate the brush. So just a couple more drops of water. Smells wonderful. We'll go right to the face, start lathering up. Plenty of lather on the brush, no problem whatsoever. Drive it right into the beard. Soften it, hydrate it, prepare it for the shave ahead. A little more hot water. Figure 8, smooth everything out. Set the brush down. Clear the runways so we can see our sideburns. Dry off the fingers. All right, here we go. Feather Professional blade loaded up in the new Feather SR straight razor. All right, I'm just gonna warm it up under the hot water. And I'll do a stretch-free shave today. Let's see what we can do. 2 fingers in the front, 2 in the back, and we'll just cut that sideburn. Work our way down. No problem removing heavy beard growth. Let's rinse that. Right down the neckline. Very nice. Okay, left side, cut that sideburn. Filled up. Let's rinse that. Rinses out very easily. Right down the neckline. Excellent. Let's rinse that. Now we'll hit the mustache area. Very good. First pass complete. Quick rinse. One pass went from heavy beard growth to very smooth. Let's lather up and do a little more. Today we'll do one pass with, one against. First pass was with the grain, north to south. Now we'll go against the grain. I'll hold it like a Japanese style razor and we'll just go upward like this. Right hand on the left side, left hand on the right side. Excellent. Right up the cheek. Just bend it so it suits you. That gets you super smooth right there. Now the other side. Very good. Across on my chin. Other side. Clean out the cleft. All right, beautiful. A final rinse with cold water. Let's crack open the Shave Nation wide stick alum block. Soak that under the cold water and just glide that all around. Seal off any small nicks or micro weepers. Excellent finish to the shave right here. Let that soak in for about 30 seconds and then rinse it off. Pat the face dry. Now we'll finish up with some George F. Trumper Eucris Aftershave. Give that a shake. Remove the cap. Right in the fingertips. This is called skin food. Good protection for the skin. Just a very light balm. Massage it in. Oh, this smells fantastic. Here's a final look at the razor, the Feather Artist Club SR Super Razor, designed to be more like a traditional straight razor. And as you can see, took me from heavy beard growth to very smooth in just 2 quick passes. One with the grain, one against the grain. Very comfortable, easy to grip with the jimps. As far as removing the blade, just squeeze the spine at the top and it drops out. Or, I always keep a tweezers handy just to remove the blade. Very simply, you can just grab it and pull it out that way. Sometimes the water or the shaving soap will hold it in there. A quick, easy way to remove it is just to use the tweezers like so. If you want to disassemble the razor, all you do is squeeze the spine and pull it apart, just like that. And now you can rinse it, clean it, let it dry, reassemble it, just like so. Very simple. And then reinstall your blade and set it off to the side, out of reach of children, and you're ready to rock and roll with your next shave. And not only the Feather Professional, but there's also Super Professional, Pro Guard, Light, and Soft Guard blades to suit your beard growth. Check out the website. If you want to pick up any of these items, this razor, the blades, cream, soaps, brush, any of that, just click down below the video where it says show more and you can grab them right there. Or go to shavenation.com, enter what you need in the search box, it'll pop right up. Please do me a favor before I head out, smash that subscribe button down there, and then ring the bell up there, and then click all so you'll be notified of all my upcoming videos. They'll go right to your inbox and you won't miss any. Thank you very much for watching. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. Uh-oh. Looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Gotta go to shavenation.com. Have a great shave. Have a great day.